Alright everybody, today we're going to be making some soil blocks. So soil blocks are blocks of soil, and you use them to plant seeds. So I've already started on this. You can see we have pretty good variety of these blocks. They're just like cubes, and they're cubes that you make out of soil, and then you put your little seed in here and then start it. And it's supposed to be pretty good, and you use less plastic. Although this tub is plastic, but let's just ignore that fact. So I got this big bucket full of, it's mostly cocoa coir, and I got this seed block thing that you stuff soil in, and then you kind of clamp, push it down, and then it makes soil. I'll show you in first person mode. Alright, so here's the thing. So basically what I gotta do is just stuff it full of this soil. It's a stick. And I guess you gotta really cram it in there, because if you don't, then it'll just fall apart. And this is pretty wet, which I think you're supposed to make it pretty wet, so I don't know. I haven't done this before, so don't take this as some sort of tutorial. It's more of just like a vlog, let's say. Alright, so really crammed it in. Okay, so I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe level it off a little bit. And then stick it over here, this guy. And then I'm just gonna push it down. And then pull it back, like so. And then I've got these little blocks. And I can just put a seed in here, and then hopefully make some plants. So I have a lot more work to do, so I'm gonna get back to it.